Okay, guys, let's start with the kitchen, our layout. Refrigerator, fridge legs left and right, Lazy Susan in the corner. Your cooktop, 3-drawer stack, drawers underneath. This would be your spice drawer, microwave oven, and the hood. And the front of the island, a little tough to look at it in this angle. Your sink cabinet, and I don't have this as waterfall on the islands, just wood panels, unless that changes. Dishwasher, sink, trash, tray divider. The sink is centered on the island. 24-inch wide opening for the dishwasher. I only need 18 for the trash, so that leaves a little sliver of cabinet, which would work for a tray divider. If you don't want that layout, I mean, it is possible to combine these two cabinets, where this cabinet, 15, were made wider, another 7.5. So there was just 2 fronts instead of 4. But this could be a tray divider. Your hood cabinet, and that comes out about 24 inches. These are the same width. I typically default to the uppers left and right of the hood being the same width because that's much more noticeable than the base. We can't have both because your uppers are 12 deep and the base is 24. So that's why this cabinet's a little narrower. The drawer under your double ovens, the fridge cabinet, and looking at the fireplace, a little left to figure out here. I know you don't know exactly where this is going to go, the fireplace, but that is the fireplace representation, 48 inches wide. These cabinets are 18 inches off the doorway, which is right here. Floating shelves, but these are the same width, these cabinets. But I don't know if you wanted this centered on the wall, but we've got to figure that out, because if we center this, what determined the position of your fireplace were the cabinets, 18 off the wall, and these are the 4 same width, which positioned this. But if we're not going to do that, if this needs to go in the center or to line up with that vault, then we might have different width base cabinets. But this is just a layout of, or a good starting point of what you guys are thinking of doing here. Okay, let me know if this works, and we can keep moving forward. Thank you.